Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy and flavorful Aloo Pyaz Kachori with a crunchy outer layer and a spicy potato onion filling. This homemade snack is perfect for tea time, family gatherings, or whenever you are craving something special. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup water, 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain. Mix everything together, knead into a smooth dough. Keep the dough soft but not sticky for easy shaping. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup chopped onion. Cook until the onions become soft. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon crushed coriander seed. Mix everything well. Now add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala. Mix everything. And cook for 1 minute. Remove from the heat and allow the filling to cool completely. Now make small balls from both the dough and the potato mixture. Let the filling cool completely before stuffing. Flatten a dough ball. Place the potato filling in the center. Seal it carefully. Seal the edges tightly to keep the filling inside while frying. And gently press into a round kachori shape. Heat oil over medium heat and fry the kachori slowly until they become beautifully golden, crisp, and perfectly flaky. Fry on medium heat for an evenly cooked, crispy crust. Our crispy Aloo Pyaz Kachori is ready to serve. Serve them hot with tamarind chutney, mint chutney, or tomato ketchup and enjoy every delicious bite. Aloo Pyaz Kachori tastes even better with spicy chutneys and a hot cup of tea. Every bite is crunchy outside and packed with delicious flavors inside. Thank you for watching Oven Cake and Cookies. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies.